During our last trip to Trinidad, we got together with some of our best friends to make two of Trinidad's most iconic, tasty, and comforting dishes: breadfruit and pigtail oil down and curry cascadoo, also known as cascadura, which was made with fresh coconut milk. If you're interested in seeing how these dishes came together, let's start cooking. 2 onions. This is garlic? A bucket of garlic.
Well, no, I blend enough just to put it in the fridge and use for other day.
Bandania. What is pimento? Pimento. A green bell pepper and carrots.
Hot pepper.
And a bunch of dasheen bush.
Yep.
Cleaned and cut up. How many coconut?
2.
2 coconut. 4 pounds of pigtail. 4 pounds of pigtail that have been rinsed and boiled. Add the onion. You put any garlic in there yet? Garlic, yeah. Or 2 tablespoons of garlic. Why you have to hold it like this? What the hell is this? That's when he added stuff. What do you added there? Okay, hot pepper. Add the pigtail, add pimentos, about 10 pimento peppers. About 4 tablespoons minced bandania. About a tablespoon of black pepper. Smells amazing. Oh wow. Cooperate, cooperate. Handsome chef. What do you mean?
Dessert?
How's that?
I can.
Look at it. Add peppers and carrots. How many carrots is that? How many bell pepper? 1. Okay, add the breadfruit. That's 1 or 2? 2. 2 breadfruit. Nobody panic, it's just water. Throw it in. That's like 6 cups of water.
Too much salt because
Pigtail has salty.
although it was boiled twice,
Add salt.
I can add some.
Add dasheen bush. 1 bunch of dasheen bush bhaji. Okay. The cameraman too.
This is the critic in the peanut gallery.
Cooking is not a problem with this.
That balloon that is gorgeous.
Can't utilize it.
Yeah. Adiel.
After 30 minutes?
Well, actually, you're not so soppy to even turn it, because obviously leave it there. And I don't want the bottom to burn.
Yeah. 1 onion, 2 tomatoes. For the life of me, I can't do that. Yeah, he's hired. To clean the cascadoo, cut out the tail.
The fin.
That's a fin. Look like a tail. Cut out the fins.
This one is behind.
Bend it right back.
It is behind.
No, bend it right
Yeah, I
back.
know.
Yeah, like that. Correct. There we go.
No, let's do it, Melissa. Let's be at home.
Rinse the inside.
Yeah, you don't have a, we use a brush to scrub it now.
Okay.
You can use this. There's a piece of gill that'll be hidden in there.
Alright. Remove the gill. Rinse thoroughly with lime and water and drain. 2 heads garlic, 8 pimento peppers, 4 bunches of bandania, 1.5 scallion, and 1 hot pepper. Add more water. The oil down has been cooking for 1 hour and 5 minutes.
But I low down the heat. So.
Yeah, and the heat is now at low. It will continue to simmer for what, another 30 minutes?
No, 20.
20 minutes. And then we'll eat. More coconut milk.
Some more coconut milk, some more fresh seasoning on top.
Add oil. That's 2 tablespoons of oil. Add onion, 1 chopped onion, and hot pepper. Add 4 tablespoons of green seasoning. Tablespoon green seasoning. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Give it a stir. 2 tablespoons curry powder, and we'll cook it for a couple of minutes. Add half cup of water. You adding more? Alright, that's okay. You adding any more water? No? Add 2 tablespoons of water. Add 2 small tomatoes chopped and 2 green mangoes grated. We give it a stir and cook it for a couple of minutes. Smells amazing. Yep. That face. 1 tablespoon of salt and give it a stir. And we'll continue to cook. He's adding 2 more tablespoons of green seasoning. So we've added 6 tablespoons of seasoning into this pot. And remove from the heat. say something about it.
It's gonna taste as good as it looks.
It's going to taste as good as it looks, the chef says. It looks amazing, smells amazing. And it's creamy, it's rich, it's luscious, and it's very tasty.
Wow.
The chef will now taste for salt. Chef Alvin.
It's too hot.
Gonna wait for it to cool a little bit. And I'm going to taste. Absolutely amazing. So smooth and creamy. And I can double dip.
Go ahead now.
Wow. I'm only missing all the good words. Wow. Amazing.
Liver.
Husband and wife team. Steffi and Terry.
The Seapos.
The Seapos.
The Seapos.
We've been friends for more than 30 years, since we were teenagers. Add salt to taste. That's about 2 teaspoons of salt. Black pepper, about a teaspoon. Add green seasoning, about half cup. Mix well to combine. Marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. Add onion and hot pepper to hot oil. Cook until the edges become brown. Add turmeric. Add 4 tablespoons curry powder. 2 tablespoons green seasoning. Cook for 2 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of water and cook for a couple of minutes. Add, instead of 1/4 cup of water, add half cup of water. Tomato. Cook for a couple of seconds. Add the cascadoo. Including all the seasonings from the bowl. Stir well to combine. Smells amazing. Add 5 cups coconut milk.
see how the shells was flat? Watch it now. It'll kind of lift up from the meat itself.
So it come off easy.
So just shallow. So
So you have to
have
mention that, right?
So you mention that.
If the shells come up,
Yes, you see how it kind of
okay.
lifted up inside.
It's no longer flat.
Right. That's
Okay.
Right. You know that it's cooked.
And the second way, the head comes off.
One of the head fall off, and I said, that's it, my cascadoo is finished. So one almost off there. So yeah,
And the third thing is that the sauce has thickened.
very nice. Because only some of the stuffing would fall out into the sauce as well, so you'll get all that tanginess.
The tanginess has been incorporated into the sauce, along with the flavor of the cascadoo. This is almost done now, huh? Yeah.
I'm just making me to eat more now. Look at things you put on the table.
So